what brought you here will not take you there. Today, I would like to thank each one of you for being a part of my community. Yes, it could be you are part of Smart Execution League group, or you could be a part of social media, or you could be a part of our other groups. And as a community, we have come so far and there's a long way to go. As promised some time back, from April onwards, we are completely transforming and changing the way we function as a community. And I'm super excited to let you know that you will see a sea change, you will get massive value, and you will start feeling enabled and empowered just by being part of my community. And that's my giving. Yes, every single Monday, you will have an amazing learning from my side. And for the first time ever, I will be talking about my learnings from none other than my master, my guru, Mr. Jim Rohn. Yes, it was in 2005, 15 years back, I happened to become student of Jim Rohn. And it is told that when student is ready, the master will appear. And that exactly happened to me 15 years back. I'm super happy that I'm amongst the very few people who started their journey around personality development and around this self-development way back in 2005. And now it's time for me to share my learnings, what I learned from Jim Rohn every single week. Yes, I'm going to start talking about the 12 pillars of success as told by Jim Rohn and Chris Widener. It is going to be around personality development. It is going to be about total well-being and the gift of relationship what we are supposed to have in personal and professional, followed by how do we achieve our goals and the proper usage of time. Not only this, we will be talking about surrounding yourselves with the best people to be your best and be a lifelong learner. And the most important is life is sales. Income seldom exceeds personal development, and communication brings the common ground of understanding. The world can always use one more leader, and it can be you. And finally, the 12th week, we will be concluding with Leave a Legacy. So every Monday for next 12 weeks is going to be action-packed. And during the week, we will discuss, we will deliberate about the learnings. And the 12 pillars are interdependent. You can't just focus on one and neglect the other. I request you to stay tuned, keep following up, and be ahead of the curve in terms of your learning. The bottom line is that you have a choice about your life. Choice number one, you make a living the way it is happening, or choice number two is design a life. And I am sure as smart members of my community, you would love to design a life, and this 12 weeks is going to be a tremendous, impactful time for you. And I hope you will find value in these pillars and will be inspired to pick up 12 pillars and apply the 12 pillars to your life and business. So friends, not only this, every single day during this period is going to be amazing, and that's my promise. Couple of things is personal development is the only way things are going to change for you is when you change. So like this, we'll have lots and lots and lots of learning in terms of holistic health, in terms of the gift of relationship, in terms of achieving your goals, in terms of using of time, in terms of surrounding yourselves with the best people, and a lifelong learner. Life is sales. Income seldom exceeds. So each week is going to be having one pillar. And finally, we will conclude with communication, leadership, and living a legacy. So with this, it's time for me to log off. Your Suresh Babu, an internationally certified performance coach, helping business leaders, business owners enhance their performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. Through this platform, through this communication, thanks for giving me the opportunity of living my mission. As you all know, I am on a mission to enable and empower people live life of fulfillment, enhancing performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. Thanks again for staying back as part of my community, and I promise you will really start enjoying every single week, every single day being a part of my community. Thank you, and thank you.